So schools were telling us that emotional health and well-being was an increasing problem, and public health was aware of the growing evidence around physical activity and how it can help with emotional health and well-being for children and young people. This project was a great opportunity to bring together those that are working around physical activity and those that are working around emotional health and well-being in schools. So the Head Teacher Alliance spoke to the Health and Wellbeing Boards in Dorset and explained a little bit about their thinking around how physical activity could help solve the problem around emerging mental health and emotional health needs of students. The Health and Wellbeing Board then were able to release some funding, and it was really a first for Dorset because we took that funding and tried to develop the project right from the beginning with the schools. We've got a huge range of different ideas and projects from those schools, ranging from forest schools to curriculum development, using their grounds, using their staff, involving children and young people in the development of their plans and their communities and parents, which is brilliant. 64 schools applied for the grants, and of those 46 successfully met the framework criteria set out by the partnership, which is great. Really looking forward to hearing the initial results and how those projects have developed and what difference and impact it's having on the children and young people attending those schools. We're also really aware of schools told us about their abilities and their confidence to evaluate projects like this and learn from those pilots, and so we've been working with Plymouth University to build some capacity in our school staff to be able to evaluate and to be able to develop projects like this in the future.
The methods of evaluation that we've learnt about have enabled me to think more specifically about how to collect the data, how to correlate it, the importance of doing that as we're going along, and also to become more focused on our outcomes. I also think that these evaluation skills will help my school and other schools to develop similar projects in the future.
We want to continue to work with Public Health Dorset as a Head Teacher Alliance to promote the whole school approach and support the next steps of that project, which is having a great impact in schools. And we also want to help promote the Active Lives survey that Sport England and Active Dorset are implementing in schools.